And we're back. Welcome back, everybody. Now it's in the afternoon, and we're going to do the backtesting session for the rest of the February's setups. If you remember, this morning I was doing also this sort of, I call it trading plan. It's not really a trading plan. It's just about trying to see, try to just jot down the thoughts that I had about my setup, my possible, how can I improve it, where is my entry. Yeah, basically the trade setup with the confirmations, with the possible stop loss size, with the average movement, whatever, and not being analytical, not being so specific that going into the mathematics of okay, 10 out of 20 trades went to 10 pip, 8 went there. No, just from intuition and intuitive point of view, sorry, and understanding the reactions, and should I have the break-even rule, should I do that, should I do that, yeah. So anyway, we're going to review the remaining part, which was quite a few, I think it, yeah, around 130. And so let's jump straight into it. Let's try not to to press the hotkeys that change the screen and not acknowledging that. So let's just cut it and go. So I think, I don't remember if we already saw that. We are now on gold for this trade setup, and I want it to be as much as specific as possible, something that has to be super easy. So now we have these eyes, we have this area. So after a possible rejection, I don't know where, around 1955, 1985, sorry. I don't know if it was an hourly PSA, but anyway, we saw this strong bearish movement, and then we are seeing a possible correction. As I was saying before, I'm not going to have every single PSA as a possible risk area. So, okay, let me just take the buy when we break above these highs. Okay, bam, bam, bam. Because often when we are talking about a range sort of asset that is not really trending always and breaking daily highs all the time, breaking the daily lows every single day. No, we're talking about something that overall stays in a range on the high time frame, especially. So if that's the case, I cannot, as a scalper, wait for the price to break above these highs, because that might not, first, might not happen. Secondly, this can be easily a fake out and then back into the range, especially on the high time frame, as I was saying. So not caring about the left hand side, as I was saying, especially on the 1 minute, on the 20 tick chart, just trying to see, okay, we see a strong bearish movement, we see now a possible correction. We have, this is what actually, for me is, it matters. Do we have from here a good enough range to go, I mean, that in such a case that at least going to these previous highs, I don't care if there gets rejected, it is at least a stop loss at break even. Okay, that's the question. So for me, the answer is yes, because if you see that 1990, this is 1992. So actually, the TP will be there, yes. But so for the TP, we will need a breakout. We will need the candle to break above, yes. But we are already at break even from basically this level. So this is absolutely okay. And yeah, this entry is fine. Why? Because we have the following confirmation. So we have the clear resistance being broken on the upside with one or multiple candles. Yes, we have some reaction over there, but doesn't really matter. And price is making higher highs and higher lows. You can see that after this rejection, we are seeing price making higher highs and higher lows, failing to make new lows. You can see over there, bam, 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 bam. So at the time of the entry, price is already correcting the structure and making higher highs and higher lows. And yeah, that's basically almost I mean, it's quite a bit of drawdown below 1990. Yeah, so it's, I mean, yeah, I think it's around 7-8 pips of drawdown, but then it will move and go into break even and then into a winning trade. So I don't have anything to say about this possible entry. It matches absolutely my idea, and yeah, it's not the perfect volume. As you can see, it's not really the perfect situation with a one directional bias, but so what I want to say is that there are a lot of bearish candles in there, but that's also a confirmation of you don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. You just have to take your entry and let the market do its thing. You don't need to know, okay, now we are here, why the price should go up. Maybe it will go retest this area again before doing anything. Sometimes it will happen, but sometimes it will just stop here and then push up. Why? We don't know, and we can't really know. There's objectively no way we can know what is the at what time, at what price the orders are going to come in the market. Yes, it might be rough to see that you almost had at break even, then you push back down, almost at this is your break even trigger, then almost back down to break even, just to then break above and go to your TP. Yes, but that's the market, and it's something that I want to do. I don't really want to just look at every single candle and say, oh gosh, let me reduce my size and I take 50% here. Then, oh gosh, okay, let me add, no, let me reduce, let me add. I don't want that. I want to, okay, was a good entry? Yes, let it go. Stop loss, TP, doesn't matter. Let it go. Then this entry over here, for example, is a loss. So this is the same setup. Price is pushed down, but is facing a strong resistance, or support is a resistance for the price to push down even below, but it's actually at 1, 2, 3, 4 triple 4 bottom. So we have now a push above, and for me this is, I think it's on a 20 tick chart. I'm not really sure, or maybe it's 1 minute, but the trade idea is basically, okay, I want to take, this is probably the first stop, so it's the riskiest one, but it's a good PSA. We have these lows, we have this high, so especially after this type of price action, I feel like it's a good trade idea to have this. Yeah, if we don't care about the previous one, then it's a good trade idea. It's a loss, yes, but everything can happen. Now price might react over there, or might be pushing down. Anything can happen, and it's not in our control. After that, yeah, same thing. Very good trade idea. I don't know if it's going to be how it's going to result. Very clean PSA, very clean support and resistance that has been broken. I like the placement of the limit, maybe a 1 pip above would be good, but very nice and clean. Look at how clean this breakout is. Now just have to wait for the retest, or we might see the price that maybe it stops here, doesn't get activated. Then you will want to see the retest of this area before continuing up. Okay, yeah, I got missed. I remember that. Okay, I remembered it. Even as I was saying with my trade, even if it was there, would be skipped anyway. So it's okay. And yeah, in this case, this actual retest would have been a loss, because you can see you have a break, but it's it will then push back down. Sorry, I don't know if then now it will continue pushing up. Okay, this was the missed one. Okay, and this is another one. So we don't know the result. And as I was saying, I shouldn't really care about the result anyway, because we're just talking about did we play our hand correctly or not. here on GJ, another setup during the New York session. Very clean, very straightforward. We have this resistance that is getting broken, and you have your entry over here. A buy limit at this level makes sense. On GJ, it would be triggered when the sell limit is about there, when the sell line is over there. So it's absolutely okay. Perfect. I mean, as picture perfect as it can be. Nothing really that we can say. GBPUSD, another trade, same idea. Look at this area. This is the same trade. Wow, and okay, I left it. Okay, now I get it. It's the same trade idea that we were looking at before. I had my buy limit over there and I kept it. You see that it got activated and with a little drawdown before then pushing back up. So this is one time where having and leaving the buy limit was actually profitable. Very nice. Then we have a missed entry because you can see how close that was. And yeah, this is probably the case where maybe it would be activated from there if I placed it exactly on the dot. I think I left it over here as well. Yeah, wow, I left it there but got missed again. And I think I left it even after this further rejection, and then it would go into a loss, but I'm not 100% sure. But look, yeah, it was very nice. Maybe if I want to leave the limit over there, maybe I can also just place it here at the same level. Would be missed anyway, but quite an unlucky thing. But let's see. Yeah, as I remember correctly, I left it there, got activated, only goes like 3 pips, and then push into my loss. Yeah, as you can see, only goes 3 pips instead of 5. And after that, possible further trade idea. So after seeing that the price needed to get more liquidity at these lows, very nice bullish candle, a possible buy limit over there. In this case, it will go around 5 pips, and then it will break back into these lows. You can see that this market condition in general is not really the super perfect one. You can see how mixed. I mean, for being a buy, look how many bearish candles there are. For being a sell, look how many bullish candles there are. So it's not really the perfect trending market. Here on gold, absolutely agree. You can see that the limit order is exactly at the week lows. We have seen a very strong bearish candle, and we are breaking below an hourly PSA, so we can expect the price to actually retest the area even multiple times. So I think this one was a win, or yeah. So you can see that price got activated perfectly, got a little bit of drawdown, but nothing really special. And this is I wanted to have the, when I saw this, I said, okay, I'm feeling like if we break below this low, it can easily go to 45 pips. So I changed my plan. So my plan was, my setup is to have the TP at 30 pip, which is around here, and that's it. What I did was, when it goes to 30 pip, I want you to place my stop loss at 20, because I don't want to risk that. I want to have the full TP at 45, but I don't want to risk the full win just for that reason. So I did a mixed thing. Instead of taking my full 30 pips over there, when it went here, it activated the rule. So the stop loss went to 20 pips. It's good because, I mean, I would have had 30 pips, but if I was just using the either break even or 45, that would have been a break even one. After this retest, you can see price went to 45 pips. It went exactly. This is 45 pips. So, and here I took a loss because price was, let's review it. Okay, I don't have it here, but let's review. Price is breaking below these lows. So we are in a bearish trend. Price is breaking below these lows. We have a single 1 minute candle that is closing bearish. I don't know. No, it's not an hourly. Okay. That is closing bearish, and I place my sell limit over there. Maybe since I should have placed my sell limit in this area with the lower wick, maybe I should have waited for a better candle confirmation, not this type of rejection, because you can see that if this was my PSA of interest, that's where I wanted to place the sell limit. That's not a candle close that I want. But yeah, it's a loss and it's a fine. Look at this buy over here, just retesting the same PSA, retesting the same area. Yeah, very nice. It did. GBPUSD, I don't know if this is a missed entry or got activated. I think it's a missed entry. Because yeah, when I saw this bearish candle breaking below this support, I wanted to see a retest and then a continuation down. And also below these lows, you see that where this I could have placed a sell limit there, because it's the same thing. Price is trending, is breaking below these lows, retesting, and the possible continuation down below. Okay, this was on GJ, for example. Instead of taking a screenshot, I could have placed my sell limit, and it's these multiple support points being broken, multiple candles showing strength below. Yes, that's okay. This is not the hyper volume, but nice 1 minute candle. This can absolutely be my sell limit area, anywhere there, getting activated, and yeah, would have been a 15 pip win just below these lows. And okay, so I still had my sell limit over there. I don't know if it will get activated. It will actually get activated on GBPUSD. You can see it will get activated on the top. Very nice entry. It will survive this drawdown, but very, very small. But you can see that from here, I mean, there is no direction, especially for a sell. Look how green that is, how few bearish candles there are. But I don't care, because it's not, I don't know if and when these candles are coming back into the chart and are just going down. I mean, that's not my job. And you can see that I go to break even and it's absolutely fine. This was on GJ, but also on GJ you can see on the same day how thin the volume was. I mean there was no direction. Look, that's pretty clear, I would say. This was on gold. Same idea, but this is something that, I mean, I don't really like too much, this breakout, and that's something that maybe I should be understanding better. Okay, do I want this breakout to be enough or not? I don't know if this is going to be a win or a loss. I think it will survive. It will survive from here because it's like 1998.1, let's say. So yeah, 97.1 would be down there. Yes. And it will probably go at least to break even. But yeah, very sketchy price action, a lot of red candles. So when you are in a buy, that's not what you really want to see. But you never know at what time and what price these kind of bullish candles are coming back in. So I don't really, since I can't predict the future, I just need to take my entry. Boom, look at this. I was saying exactly this. You never know when these type of candles are coming into the chart, so why trying to predict it? From what I've seen in the markets, for example, you are here and say, okay, wow, price action is shit. Nah, I need to get out. Let me just do one thing, okay? Okay, price action is shit. Let me get out, because it's very unlikely that the price is going to break above here. It's very unlikely. Price might just range and then push down, whatever. Now, you never know when this is happening. So why do we have to try and predict things? Why? Anyway, Next one, wrong PSA, damn it. So yes, yeah, this is one time where, okay, very good news. I was very bullish on gold. The thing is that I placed my buy limit over here because it was these old highs, instead of placing it at the most as the recent, not even the most recent ones, but the recent one that were with 2-3 times they were retested and showed some reaction. And you can see how from here, if I had placed it over here, bam, instead of taking the loss there. Also, we can say that it was a little bit unlucky because I took 10 pip over there. No, yeah, 3 pips or 5 pips. I don't know what is this range. Yeah, 3 pips, and then it would push up. But yeah, that was the PSA. And so let's continue on gold. I think it was the same time. Yes, same thing. Very clear. Strong price action, bullish price action, and then retesting exactly the latest ones. And yeah, would have been a break-even one, I think, because it's around 20 pips, yes, but would have been a good trade idea. This was my thought. Okay, why is a buy situation, buy stop? Because we have a lot of liquidity, strong this time. Liquidity grab on the downside, you can see at the hourly, because this is the same trade idea as before. You can see that after pushing up, it pushed down, but then got an equal rejection, and we are now approaching slowly, but that's some sort of energy that is being held like a spring. Because you see that we are creating this order block and we are facing this multiple rejection at the same high. It's like this resistance is wants to push up, and once it will push very strong. So that's why I said buy stop situation in this case, because I'm seeing a lot of accumulation in the market. When I mean, these candles are not going down, going up, going down. No, they are very close and pushing on the upside. It's like with a match you can light a fire in 1 second, but I didn't place, and look what happened. Exactly that. Price grabbed a little more liquidity, but still made a new higher high, higher low, and above these highs, bam, push up. You can see that how out is also, if I was just trading classic, you have a break above, and then a retest, because this one is closing with this wick. So what does that mean? It means that this candle, this top wick was like this. So it was a green one, and then a red one. Then we see the red, then we see the green, very strong green. But you can see that here we have a candle closing above, which is this one. But also the top wick that is left is a bearish candle. And then with a new candle, flip it like this, then we have the continuation bullish. So this on the 20 tick chart is 100% a break every test. We can go and see it if you want. And I mean, I can open the platform and we're going to see it from the 15th of February on gold. Okay. So let me go on the 20 tick chart. We said on the 15th, right? Okay. Okay, we're talking about what time? Okay, New York Stock Exchange. So 15th of February. Over here, you can see, as exactly as I was saying, this top wick is this one. So you can see how, I mean, yeah, this price action is exactly this one, because we have this one is this one, and this one is this one, And as you can see, just use this. So okay, bam, you can use either this or the top. Bam, that's the retest. That's exactly what happened. Bam, 30 pips, and then we'll face an hourly PSA and get rejected. But absolutely absolutely interesting. Anything. Anyway, let's continue. GBPJPY, this was a PSA on the previous one. You can see and appreciate how yeah, we just got this PSA reaction, this area. There's a one single candle that could have led to this breaker retest, or you can see how overall this bullish move and then the retest before then the price push up. Also very interesting to know that we had a further retest of this PSA before the continuation up. So it is following the rules. We have these eyes being broken, we have the retest of the area, and then we just leave the market do its thing. We are moving bullish. That's basically it. Now another missed entry, very nice. This is on GBPUSD. Look how, bam, this will be activated. Obviously, a lot of times it will get activated there. It will probably retest even here. So that's why today I was talking about that with a 3 pip, I need a very precise stop loss. I used to use the 2.5 pip stop loss either, but maybe if I place it over there, then I can use a 5 pip stop loss, cover a little bit more. So even if it's going down there, I'm still safe before then letting the price push up. So I can take the worst entry and still be safe if the price would actually retest the best perfect optimal entry. So you can see this one would have been a win. This one basically the same thing. This is the usual change of momentum and change of direction. Because why? Because we are seeing this double bottom at this area, at these lows, and then break and retest of these previous highs. Absolutely clean. It's a little bit not clean because I mean you have these strong, nice bullish candles giving you a retest of these highs. In this case, the reaction, the limit should be around here at these highs. Yes, we get activated. The thing that is not clean is the price action afterwards. But as I was saying, why would I take out the trade here? If my trade idea, if I played my hand with the good probabilities, who am I to choose if this is the time that I lose or not? Why? Who am I to say that, see, due to this is not going to happen? Why? How can I say? Due to this will not happen. And other BS people tell. Due to this will not happen. Yeah, that's the sad truth, because I spent a lot of time trying to think and focus on this thing, but that's not real. You don't know. You don't control. This is Mark Douglas 101. You don't control the market. You don't know. And this was a possible further entry. If I missed that, as I did, why? I mean, I saw it afterwards, everything, but you also had a very nice break and retest because price. Let's go on the other one. You can see you have this area, and let's say that you have these. Okay. You have these. Okay. So you have this price action. So price is actually breaking above and retesting those lows. Bam. Even over here would have been perfect the entry. And then, yeah, as I said, just let it go. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, now I'm going into profits. It's not my job to know when it will go. This one is, I don't know if it got activated or not. Let's see if we have the following one. No. This is a little bit more risky. I think it was a loss, if I'm not mistaken, because it was a hugely counted trend. And yeah, strong bearish candle. Price oftentimes will retrace and then push back down. I don't know, but yeah, this is basically a little bit of maybe bad timing, but you can see that we have these eyes. Yes, but as you can see also this week is creating a PSA, so it's not really that clean. But I think I got activated already over there and I lost, but I'm not really sure if that's a high, because I know that, I mean, I took it because I knew that even just to go there, that would be at a P, or if for sure at break even. So I don't know the actual result. I don't know if I like taking the trade even after this entry. I think I took it after seeing this one, I placed it, and it went up like 2-3 pips. This one pretty impossible to take with the sell limit, but I think I was looking at it live. This one, GBPJPY, it's a one single candle thing, and sometimes it's the sketchiest. But I think it's going to be a good trade idea. You can see price is breaking below. This is a very common price action. One candle, then a pullback. You can see that this is even with a 3 pip stop loss. 3 pip stop loss, 58, 55. With a 5, it will cover even more and allow for more more room to breathe. And I don't know if it's going to be a win. This one is the same for possible continuation down. You see that this one will end up being a loss. It will just push 2-3 pips, and then it will push even less than 3 pips, and then we push. And also I took a second loss below this loss. What about this loss? I think it's okay. This is the only because this is the other one. Okay, this is the only loss that I should have taken. This one I could have avoided. This one is the only loss that I could have taken. That I should have taken. Should have taken. Yeah, you see, I took my loss here, and then it's okay. This loss I like it. The first one no, because it's in trend. It's breaking below. Clear candle. That's absolutely fine with me. Then gold, I don't know if it was the same day. As you can see, after missing out on this, we're seeing that price is now changing the direction. We have this area, and that's where I was looking for a trade. I don't know if I actually managed to take it. Yeah, this entry, it's okay, and it's a PSA. If it gets activated, there's a high chance that price will push up, especially it's a little bit, it's quite late, I would say, because price already moved quite a bit. We had this area for possible entry, this area for possible entry, but there's a good chance that the price will continue to push up, and we don't know the result. I like this entry anyway. Clean traffic on the left hand side. The thing is that maybe this is the overall 75% retracement of this overall bearish move, and this is just a retracement before continuing down. I don't know. We don't know that. GBPUSD, this is a break-even trade. We have this PSA. It's a little bit sketchy because they have this one, then this one. So it's okay to adjust the entry over there. For me, it's okay. And it will go to break even. And then I don't know if it's going to break even. If it's going to break even here and then there. Oh gosh. Or this one, if this one would have been a win. So let's see. Because if I had my sell limit, my buy limit over here, which is the same area over here, let's activate it there. Maybe this one is a win, I don't know. So let's see. This is around 66.5. No, this is just a break even. Doesn't go to 10 pips anyway. Okay, possible sell stop situation. Let's see. This is the same thing. Possibly we are facing this huge support right below the hourly. Price is staying consistently below. Why should I? Is this a sell stop? We're not really flagging, but there's a strong volume, strong pressure. But I don't know if in this case I should wait for a breakout and then a retest of this area for possible continuation down. This is GBPJPY, pretty absolutely clean trade idea, absolutely the same. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, and then continuation down. Gold, I took that, but it only went 20 pips, but I like that. I think, I don't know if it's the same day, 19. Okay, this is at 9:41. Okay, 2020. So you see that it went down, it broke below, it actually continued down from this area. From this area, it was actually good, but a little bit choppiness, 1999, yeah. Still stop, absolutely not, but price would high time frame push down. This possible entry was okay, because I think we had some PSA on the left hand side. I took this one, this sell based on these previous lows. You can see how where the most of the lower wicks on and the 1 minute candle was there, would have given us a better price point of interest for the retest and the sell limit, but yeah, anyway, it would only go around 20 pips because we faced an hourly PSA. That's what I was talking about this morning, is that I don't care if it doesn't break below and doesn't continue, as long as I know that this range gives me at least a break even, I'm fine. Okay, break and retest. As you can see, same thing. I know that this is an hourly PSA, okay, but if this entry 2021, when it reaches these highs, is at break even, for me it's okay. If I get more, absolutely, but I'm risk free. At this PSA, I'm risk free, so that's what most matters for me. Possible further continuation up from this area. I don't know if it's going to continue, but to me it makes sense to have a buy limit anywhere over here. It's absolutely a good trade idea. We have continuation, it's a relevant PSA, nice breakout candle. You can see two candles, very clean. So that's it. And GBPJPY, same thing. This PSA is being respected even now. You can see that this 1 minute candle on the 20 tick chart are giving you a lot of respect, and that's where I can see a possible continuation up. This is at least, 38, yeah, it's at least at break even, so same thing. I know that even if we face a double bottom, double top over here, we are risk free. That's, you see, that's exactly what happens. I know, okay, it doesn't go to 15 pips. Unlucky, damn it, okay, but at least I'm risk free. Why should I complain? Okay, you see, this one on gold was actually a good trade idea. It was from here, multiple taps. This one is not a 20 pip, 23.25, depending on, I don't know if it's going to be a 20 pip or slightly less, depending on the entry. If that is going to be a break even, otherwise it then pushes up into a win. Okay, bam bam, entry not taken. You see another time where instead of taking it manually, I just avoided it, and you can see I got a win. Bam. You see also the retest would actually come here. I think this time I had a buy stop over here, But you see that a break and retest would have given me even a better entry instead of the old one, just using the most recent one. Then one single candle breaking above. This is the thing. If I want to use the top wicks, then maybe I need a better confirmation for this. So I don't know if this loss could have been avoided, but also got pretty unlucky because it would just tap my stop loss and then push up for more than 10 pips and then take another loss over there. This loss is absolutely fine because we had nice confirmation, retesting, and that's okay. And then after taking 2 losses, I will not take this win. that's the thing. That's why I say 50% win rate. Win, loss, loss, and then another win. So why? But I need to take all of them. And yeah, breaking below the hourly, breaking below this area. Look at this candle on the 20-tick chart, left a bearish and a bullish. So when we break below, that's absolutely the PSA that we are targeting for the continuation down. You can see how it will actually do that. Possible continuation. Here I didn't wait for the candle, but possible continuation. I like the trade idea because we have this week, we have this week, we have this week. One single 1 minute candle, very strong. It's okay. Even if it's a loss, that's just part of the 50%, just part of the 50%. In this case, I don't like it because now the PSA is a little bit more sketchy and a little bit more, too much of a, it's not that clear. You know what I mean? This one, yes, okay, but it's a lower week here. Why am I choosing this? It's not like here, which is a clear pivot. So I don't really like this possible trade idea. This one is absolutely clear cut. As you can see, a win. Break and retest. This area. After a strong breakout, retest, and then goes into a win. As easy as that. So then I missed out on the continuation because I think I was waiting for something else. But yeah, I got this win. And I missed out on this continuation of the top week after this strong bullish price action. So that was a pain. And yeah, this one, same thing. I saw it. We saw it already. This one, you see that this one was more of intuition because it was just starting the New York Stock Exchange session. And I was seeing that the momentum was like, we are floating, okay? We're not really bam, but we are staying above these highs. So even though we are not really clearly pushing up, I was still very bullish. And so that's why I saw it, and it will go into a win just after that. This one will be a loss and then push up into a win. Very nice. Very nice, I would say. Okay, I think this is the same, but on a 1 minute. Okay, GJ. In this case, we are retesting the PPL and this PSA. This one, but it's a bit tricky. I don't know if I would prefer to have the break above these highs as well, which when will happen, but probably would be a win anyway, but sketchy. Gold over here, same, absolutely same thing. The entry would have been there, so it would have been a little bit more of drawdown, yes, but then it would push down. I don't know about this 2029.4, 2028, so not a break even yet, so that's good. This one was a missed entry, and that's because look at where I placed my limit. It was super greedy. Instead of having it over here and getting activated, you can see I got super greedy and I missed out on this full win. I don't know if this is going to be a win, but you see price is very volatile, very lot of momentum, break, retest, a possible continuation down. This one is one of the sort of counter trend change after seeing a double bottom. The thing is that we are double bottom is right below the hourly, so I'm not really super liking it. But yeah, the trade idea is absolutely okay with that. And I think, I don't know if it's the same thing, but yeah, no, it's another one. It look like that. Miss limit. I miss one, then I lose one. That's the common theme. Then we have the, you see, the same thing is happening as we're looking on goal. Bam, break, clear breakout, retest for possible continuation up. Now the same thing, clear breakout, retest, and then we are betting on the continuation up. Even just to get there, we would have the stop loss at break even. You see, this was on gold. This was my previous trade idea. You see, just shy of the TP, but okay. Then possible continuation down. This one would have been a loss. You can see the one that we were looking at before that, a loss, possible further loss, but it's 50, basically a 50%. Then GBPJPY, this placement is a little bit sketchy. That's mainly because I should have already been in this trade from there. You see that now I'm trying to take this retest, but this should be the placement of my entry, of my sell limit, buy limit, would be triggered and probably already at break even. Same thing on GBPUSD. The thing is that it's very, very steep, so it's quite risky. Price might go here and then push down and then possible continuation up, and looks like that's going to happen. Not taken, yeah, you see? Okay, you see? I had plenty of time to enter manually, but I did not, because I was second guessing, exactly as I did now. Okay, maybe it will push down, but yeah, just take my setup and let the probability do their job. Thing on GBPJPY, same thing, very nice. Push up on gold, retesting these eyes, and then whatever happens, it happens. Same thing, good. I like that. I would have been a win. This one very sharp, very, looks like an ham, thumb, very funny. But yeah, sometimes it happens that when we have some strong news or like that, we have at least a bounce of around 5 or 10 pips. Here it's a very sketchy and it should not be a valid trade. I know that. This is a valid trade idea, whatever happens. This is a valid trade idea, whatever it happens. Yeah, that's your win. This one, I don't like this candle close. Might be tricky. Might be that we get the retest of up until up there and then a possible continuation down. Will not really like that. Let's see if we have the continuation. No. Remove that for the hourly PSA being so close. Sometimes that's good. You see this time was good. I think I didn't get activated. I think I got missed. And but yeah, when should I ever enter? If I was okay, let's say that we are when do we, yeah, we are here. Okay, and let's do like that. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so if we see this type of price action, where do I want to place and when do I want to place the sell limit? So I have this area, now, but I'm seeing here some reactions multiple times. So do I want to wait? Do I want to place it here? Or do I want to wait for the price to break below here and get retested? Let's see if with this, the idea, we would be activated. Bam, we break below, we retest it, and then I continue down. For now, yeah, okay, so you see, we already continue down. And we keep continuing down. So you see that that should have been a possible trade area, even just below these lows. that I should have taken. Yay. The trade that I took, this one was a sell stop. Completely stupid trade idea. Okay. Okay. This is a okay trade. Okay trade. Same time in GU. You see how also here I should have placed it. Oopsie. Anywhere there would be perfectly. This is the idea. This one inside we mixed because I should have been already activated. I don't know if in this case, but I should have entered there. Now this price action is not really the most relevant. This price activity area, this entry was good, absolutely gorgeous. Missed by the TP was missed by 0 point something, and it will push back down. But you can see how the entry was a little bit. No, the entry was perfect. Bam, very good. And then back to break even. Possible trade idea on the counter side. Okay. And this one would have been a break even one. Yeah, you see price is clearly breaking, and entry anywhere here would have been activated and going into TP. And previous one, well, on the 23rd, let's see how much we have left. Around 30. We're trying to go quickly through them. Yeah, it's basically 1 hour. Okay, good trade idea. Good trade idea. Good trade idea, a little bit sketchy. Very good trade idea. No, I don't really like this price action, but I'm not completely against that. Okay, it will be missed here. This entry above the hourly will be a loss. If I kept my sell limit, my buy limit would be a loss. This one would have been a win. Absolutely makes sense. This sell limit is a loss and it's absolutely fine. Remember, it's around a 50% win rate. This one, the hourly was missed. This one was actually taken. Very nice trade idea. Bam bam. I think, yeah, missed by very few, and it will go to break even. Missed by nothing. This one was missed by nothing. This one was activated. Missed manual entry. You see that we have the breakout, but yeah, we got missed a little bit. This one was actually very unlucky at break even. I see that one. Okay, one. Two. Yeah, around 2-3 trades that went to break even were actually really unlucky. We got missed by just a few. I mean the TP was missed by very small size. This one was missed. I mean, we got stopped out, but then we pushed down. This one was a win. So actually, if we look at this, especially the last, we're talking about this one, we're very close to be a win. So if I had GBPUSD, we're all on GBPUSD. Okay, this one was on GJ. And GJ. Yeah, this one, for example, was to be a win. Bam bam, and these two were to be a win. The thing about the balance, of course, it will change, but I mean, I can do this plus this. Okay. Yeah, it would have been a little bit different, the thing. 20%. Yeah, a little different would have made. Just to see a little bit of unlucky. Okay. But that's okay. A lot of miss entry. You can see how many, multiple miss entries. As per my, look at this. Look at this. Bam, this distance. But that's because my sell limit was completely off. Look, all the range that I should have taken advantage of, and I did not. So I missed out on the trade. I'm already at the 29th. Very nice. You see, this one is a missed entry completely. Would have been a win. Then I missed this. Then I missed this on gold. Absolutely good trade idea. Then one I got missed by a few. This one got missed. And yeah, that's it. This one got missed, but also look at the side. Look where I placed it. Should have been in this area and be activated. So very, very, very good, comforting that the setup is working around 50%. And this month I should have taken way more wins. So multiple more wins, because they were there. So I don't see why I should not. If it doesn't matter. Why are you doing that? Okay. Yeah. If I had a few more wins, then that would be a completely different month. But that's why we're here. I love it, because we're here to learn, and we're coming now, starting March. The first one was Friday the first, because today is Saturday. The second, then we have, okay. Is it basically like February? Okay, I think I got mistaken. February. Okay, yes. But this one is 1, then 4th to 8th, 11th, 15th, 18th, and okay. 18 to 22nd. Then we have the 25th till the 29th. It's a complete 5th week. Okay, that's it. I mean, I'm not looking for some number. I really don't care about the number. I can go to 0. I don't care. I can go to 500, 400. I don't care. What I care is that I take more of all these setups. And my trading plan is absolutely no, I don't need anything else. Most of the times, I guess that my break-even rule is actually saving me most of the times, and makes me take more trades, because okay, I can take this trade because it just go to break-even. Most of the time it's doing that and saving me from losses. A few times it's taking me a little bit on the other side, pinning me, interfering with some win. But I guess that we are good. See you tomorrow for some backtesting, guys.